I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the instrument and your workspace. Clear 2 to 3 meters and lay protective sheeting. Once done, remove the music desk and fallboard first, keeping screws labeled. You want to preserve orientation. Use a camera to record hinge locations and cable runs. Make sure to lock casters or remove wheels if unstable. You should have a magnetic tray and dedicated tool set at hand because early organization prevents hours of reassembly confusion. You now tackle the action. Loosen hold-down bolts and slide the action forward on its rails, supporting the weight with foam blocks so nothing drops. Once exposed, unhook dampers and detach linkage cables methodically. Don't yank, feel for clips. When removing the keybed, lift in even increments or as one unit, keeping felt and shims together. Make sure to label each key group and fastener. This preserves regulation geometry and saves you time when you reseat keys. You finish by removing the outer cabinet panels and lid, using 2 people for heavy grands or uprights over 100 kilograms. Keep panels near for reassembly. Once cabinet is off, inspect the harp, pin block, and string clearances and note any cracks or loose hardware. Store all removed parts vertically with soft padding to prevent warping. If you run into a binding key when reassembling, stop and verify backrail alignment and key spacing before tightening. Misalignment causes most post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.